Okay, my hunting rifles. Remington 870. Works fine for what it is. Unfortunately in Sweden you can only have 2 shots in the magazine, so it's not sure if it's visible, but the magazine is dimpled, so I can only put 2 shots in it and 1 in the chamber. Still, works fine for its intended purpose, hunting grouse, which I will do next year for the next time. Then the really BFG. My 338 Lapua Magnum rifle. It's quite heavy and quite unwieldy, but it's very accurate, and I use this scope for it, the Schmidt & Bender Police Marksman 2, 5 to 25 times magnification. Not exactly a good hunting scope, but it works at the lowest magnification, so I only use that from stable shooting blinds. Next, the most fun rifle there is, the 10-22 Takedown. It is suppressed, and everything inside is changed, and I use diopter or peep sights, which is very fun. Keeps the weight down as well, and a Hogue over molded stock. Yeah, this is about as much fun you can have with a firearm. After that, I have my Mini 14, also suppressed of course. One of the first rifles I got. These are nowadays banned from hunting. You cannot get it on a hunting license, because they did this in 2010. Not sure why. Basically moral panic, because you can get like 30 round magazines for it. My favorite rifle after the 10-22 is this, my Carl Gustaf 1900. It's my grandfather's rifle. I inherited from him when he passed away from cancer, and it has my nice suppressor cover on it, which works very good. I have a video on that, how to make those. Longest shot I've taken with this while target shooting is 1130 meters, and I got about a 30 centimeter grouping with 6 shots. And come on, don't fall over. It's gonna fall over. Anyway, so the target was a rectangle this size, about this size. So 4 out of 6 shots was inside the rectangle, and 2 was outside. So the last one. My Marlin 1895 SBL or SGL, don't remember. Anyway, it's a 45-70, suppressed, of course, everything should be suppressed. And I've hunted a lot with this rifle. Extremely fun. So those were my hunting rifles, or in Sweden we have we sort the rifles we have license for after need, and these are the ones I have on my hunting license. So, if you want to know anything more about these specific rifles, post below or request a video or whatever. Have a nice day.